You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best Monzo trick for cashback rewards. So here's the breakdown. Monzo isn't a traditional cashback bank, but there are smart ways to earn reward if you know where to look. So start by using Monzo Pick, which gives you cashback and discount from selected brands when you pay with your Monzo card. Also, keep an eye on its app offer as this rotate and can add up over time. Also, you can also link your Monzo with cashback app and get reward program. Then you use your Monzo card for everyday spending to earn extra money back, and also combine this with the spending tracking to focus on purchases that actually rewards you. So if this actually helped you, like the video, subscribe for more easy money tips, and comment which cashback trick you will try first. And that's it.